Hi guys, how are you doing? Today I have this HP printer. It's an HP OfficeJet Pro 9013 series. It's a very nice printer. We've used it for almost 4 years now. Decent printer, good quality print. But I encountered this error. Okay, supply system problem. This is after installing genuine HP cartridge 963. Okay, genuine HP cartridge. Just put this out and I'll show you this. Okay, the printer even recognizes that genuine cartridge installed, but it gives you this error. Now, what did I do? Of course, you have to go to YouTube and all that, check all the different forums, and none was really working for me. So how did I manage to get it from this state back to this state? So I'm going to be very brief and very direct. Now, inside this printer, open it up. We have this, okay? This is the print head, okay? There's a white latch there that holds it into place. And these are the different cartridges, okay? I'm not going to remove it. I'm just going to show you guys with this one. This is the same. This is from a different printer, same model, same everything that I have lying around. But we have that. This contains the printhead where the cartridges are installed, and we have that white latch. When you pull it up, it releases this thing, and you get it out like this. But I'm going to do that. Now, this is my solution. I'm not saying it will work for everyone, but after many trials, this is what I did, okay? Inside here, we have the cartridges, okay? We have this circuit board here. We have this is where the E comes out from, okay? Sometimes when your quality is not good, you need to clean this part. Let's get some tissue with maybe some sanitizer. Just try and clean it. You can see there. Now what we are going to do, we're going to open this up. These 4 nuts, I'm going to open it up. And also, and we'll get into it and I'll show you what I did that made my printer to start working. So let's start opening it up. So after removing the 4 screws, we have this here. And before that, we need to let's remove all the cartridges, okay? So after removing all the 4 cartridges and removing all the bolts, the nuts, remove all the 4 cartridges, unscrew the 4 bolts, nuts, and then this will just come off easily, okay? This is just plastic. So now, here, this is what we're left with. Now inside there's a circuit board. Do you see it? There's a tiny circuit board inside there. Then there's this one on top, okay? Now we have four nuts here. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we need to remove the big nuts. These ones here. Okay? Need to remove these 2 to release the circuit board underneath, right? So let's remove these 2. Right, so after removing the 2 nuts holding the circuit board underneath, we have to remove this flat cable. We have to pull it out from the top here. Just pull it out. It has a blue kind of ribbon underneath there. Just snap it out gently. Then this thing will just come off. We have this unit here, okay? Now, this is why I think this was a solution. If you realize there are 4 holes there, right? When you put in new cartridges into this printer, you hear it making some sort of noise, like it's sending a burst of air, okay? It's sending like a burst of air into these cartridges. When you put in new cartridges and the printer is working well, you hear that, okay? Now, behind here, there is this thin membrane here, okay? And this is where I think the problem is. I believe this membrane here is supposed to be closed tight. So it builds some kind of pressure that comes out through these four outlets. This membrane here should be tightly fixed onto this plastic, but as you can see, mine is kind of open. Okay, now there's no pressure that builds up inside this to send it into these four nozzles here, and I think that is the problem. This is what I think. This is what I think, because when I put back this into this unit and put back the cartridges, I don't hear that burst of air that used to be there when the printer was working well. It's like air is escaping from this membrane here. So what do? I get super glue, right? And I put it slightly. Of course, you have to peel this one back, and just put super glue along those grooves, okay? And try and put it back tight, okay? Now when you look closely, there's like an escape, okay? Where air escapes there. That one is designed to be there, so you leave it like that. But the rest where it's supposed to be sealed, please just put super glue lightly, not too much, just lightly to seal it up, because I believe that is where the problem is. Then when you also look at this unit here, inside here, you can see it's all sealed up, airtight, okay? So when the nozzles which connect to this unit here, when these nozzles, that air pressure that builds up inside here is supposed to come out of these four nozzles into the cartridge. Now when there's air leakage on this, that's where I think the problem is. So after doing that and putting the super glue along the black grooves there nicely, putting back my cartridges inside the printhead and assembling everything and putting it back into the printer, my printer started working. The error was no longer there. Okay, this error, I wish I'd recorded it when I was doing the process, but this error was no longer there. When you put back the cartridge in the printer, it will tell you that it's doing maintenance. It will take maybe about 5 minutes. You'll hear the air being pushed into the cartridges, and that burst of air, you'll hear it now very well. And then, yeah, after that, the printer will just come back to life. Though mine, it's telling me my yellow is almost done, which I have to replace, but it's better that way than the printer just being useless. So I'll just get yellow and replace it, and yeah, and it's working. I can just do a quick test print. Let me just print anything here and see if it will print it. Let me send something. CP there. Let's see. Quick. There you go.